Hi friends, my name is Balwinder. Today we are learning about the HTML language. What is the HTML language? HTML language is a markup language. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. So we can design our web page structure with the help of HTML and CSS language. Whichever website you seen on the browser, like Google, Yahoo, or any other website you're seeing in the browser, that all content displayed through the HTML and CSS language. HTML is a markup language, it's not a scripting language. What is the difference between the scripting or programming language? What is the difference between markup and the scripting programming language? Any task we are processing on our web page, like a calculation or processing any image or changing any design or something, they're all done in the scripting or programming language. Markup language is help to display all the content on the browser. What is the structure of the HTML document? HTML document start with the HTML start tag and end with the HTML end tag. Here we can see one of the sample. HTML starting with the HTML start tag and HTML document closing with the HTML end tag. HTML document defined in the two sections. One is the head section, second is the body section. Head section is invisible part of our HTML document. Anything we are writing in the head section, we can import any file from any other, we can send any file to anyone, we can write any SEO information, all that done in the head section. Which thing you want to display in the browser, that all done in the body section. We are displaying any image, writing an article or doing anything, that all done in the body part. So HTML document start with the HTML tag and end with the HTML tag. Anything you want to perform, anything you want to write in your code, all done in between the HTML tag. How we can write the tag in the HTML? HTML have lots of tags. Later we are learning about this. So here we can see that less than and greater than bracket and between our tag name. This called the start tag. Less than and bracket, greater than bracket and forward slash and a tag name, this called the end tag. Any of our content all goes through the tags, between the tags. So some of tag we need to close. Any tag we are starting in the HTML that we need to close. Some tag is called the empty tag that we no need to close, like the BR tag. BR tag is single element. Like if we are typing any line or anything in the MS Word or anything, when we want to shift in the second line, we use the enter. That enter in the HTML document, we have to use the BR tag for shifting in the second line. Here is a small example of the HTML document. You can see here we define document type is HTML and HTML tag start and end of the document is HTML tag is end. Head tag start, head tag stop here, end here, and title tag start, title tag end. This title, whatever we put in this between this title tag, that all display in the browser tab on top of the browser tab. Whatever we are describing in the body section, we are using heading tag, we are using paragraph tag, all displaying in the browser area. So it's very clearly we can write the HTML is a very clear here. We can use the HTML start tag and the end tag, body tag start and body end tag, heading tag start and heading end tag, and paragraph is same start and end. So with the next part we are learning where to write the HTML code, where we can write the HTML code. We can use the Notepad and Notepad plus plus and the brackets. These three things we can write in the HTML code. Notepad we have available in the window. This Notepad plus plus and the bracket, these two things we can download from the internet is the freeware. You can download and use it to write your own code. So we are using the Notepad plus plus through in this course. So in the next video, I will teach you how we can download the Notepad plus plus and install in the PC. In this video, we given the link for the download the Notepad plus plus or bracket, whichever you like, you can download, and we can start in the next session. Thanks for watching.